Hello, good morning everyone. This is Bona Vasishtha from Cadnest Basvanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss about ways to lead satisfying life. Being satisfied and feeling fulfilled are what we all ultimately strive for. Happiness with our lives is very reason we do just about anything. So ask yourself, am I really satisfied with myself? If the answer is no, it's time to re-evaluate and to change yourself. And to lead a satisfying life, take some time to reflect on the things. So here let's discuss about few more points. Focus on positive. So it's easy for everyone to get caught in the negativity trap, constantly dwelling on what needs to be done, what should have been done, mistakes made, etc., rather than allowing those negative, anxious thoughts to dominate your mind. Think of good things in your life. For every negative thing that comes to mind, force yourself to find a positive thing. This will lead to a more positive outlook on life and more positive attitude in the long run. Second point is find your stress relief. Figure out what suits you. The things that most reduce your stress, whether it's playing guitar, sports, or whatever, you need to find a hobby that quiets your mind and gives you a sense of inner peace. Make a point to take time out of your busy schedule to practice your stress relieving activities on a regular basis. Third point is don't be afraid to take time for yourself. It's natural for people to get overwhelmed when they are busy. Rather than allowing yourself to get overwhelmed, you just throw your hands up in frustration and give up. Learn to recognize when you're getting close to your breaking point and then take a break. Don't be ashamed to take a personal day. Realize that your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Take responsibility for your actions. When you find yourself in a bad situation, it's easy to point and blame other people for your problem. But that is not remedy for that situation. Rather than focusing on what could have been done, take responsibility for your own actions and then examine the situation. Take control of the things you can and let go of everything else. Make positive changes where you can, whether it be in your business or personal life, and accept the things you can't change. Be more understanding. One of the biggest reason for most individuals comes from understanding or misunderstanding. Developing the ability to see from another person's perspective without bias is a gift very few people possess, but it is a valuable trait or character. When we listen without judgment and leave your mind open, this will allow you to make more friends. The ability to see from another's perspective will allow you to learn more and think more abstractly. Sixth point is re-evaluate your relationships. One by one, consider each and every relationship you have. Think about how they affect you in your daily life. Who wants to see you succeed? Who inspires you? Who makes you happy? On the other side, who might be dragging you down? Who might make you feel bad about yourself? Who might be toxic influence on you? Be brutally honest with yourself and distance yourself from those people who you feel might be sapping your energy. Surround yourself with the people who are positive influences and people who make you happy, enhancing your quality of life. Let's come to the last point. Live your best life. Only you know what truly makes you happy. Don't let others people dictate how to live your life. Walk your own path without fear of judgment. Of course, your family and friends are important, and it is absolutely fine to go to them for advice when you need it. But it's ultimately your decision whether you take that advice. Every individual has just one life to live, so remember, live your life how you want to live it. With this, I'm completing my session today. Thank you all.